Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your wallet. Today, we're soaring high into the world of drones with a head-to-head comparison between the Potensic Atom SE and the TENSSENX GPS drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's talk money, because, let's face it, we're all ballin' on a budget here. On the left, we have the Potensic Atom SE, coming in at a cool $299. Reviewers appreciate the high-quality build and advanced features for the price, making it a solid investment. On the right, we've got the TENSSENX GPS drone, flying in at $169. Customers love its affordability and decent performance, making it a great entry-level option. So if you're looking to save some bucks, TENSSENX takes the cake here. But hold on, let's see if it's actually a good cake or just a stale muffin. Now onto the cameras, because if your drone can't capture epic footage, what's the point? The Potensic Atom SE sports a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor. Reviewers rave about its high-quality 12-megapixels photos and 4K videos at 30 FPS, calling it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. The TENSSENX also boasts a 4K camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. While it's praised for being user-friendly and offering good visuals, some users note it doesn't quite match the Potensic in quality. So if you're a budding Spielberg, Potensic is your go-to. If you're more of a casual YouTuber, TENSSENX will do just fine. Next up, flight time, because nobody wants a drone that spends more time charging than flying. The Potensic Atom SE gives you a whopping 62 minutes with 2 batteries. Reviewers love the extended flight time, making it ideal for thorough explorations. The TENSSENX offers up to 52 minutes with 2 batteries. While it's still impressive, some users feel it falls short compared to the Potensic. So if you're all about those long flights, Potensic takes the lead here. Now, let's talk design and portability, because you don't want us to lug around something that feels like a brick. The Potensic Atom SE is lightweight, under 249 grams, and folds up small enough to fit in your jacket pocket. Reviewers appreciate its portability and ease of use. The TENSSENX also folds up and comes with a carrying case. It's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration either. Users find it convenient for travel and storage. This one's a tie, folks. Both drones are easy on the arms and the eyes. Lastly, let's dive into the smart features, because we all want a drone that's smarter than our ex. The Potensic Atom SE is packed with GPS auto return, follow me, waypoint flight, and circle flight. Reviewers are impressed with its intelligent features, making it highly reliable. The TENSSENX also has GPS auto return, follow me, path, and circle flight, plus gesture control. Users find the gesture control particularly handy, adding a fun and interactive element to flying. Both drones are pretty intelligent, but the gesture control on the TENSSENX is a nice touch. It's like having a drone that listens to you. Summarizing the reviews, the Potensic Atom SE is praised for its superior camera quality, extended flight time, and advanced features. It's highly recommended for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features like gesture control, making it a great choice for those new to drones. So there you have it, folks. The Potensic Atom SE and the TENSSENX GPS drone go head-to-head. If you're looking for top-notch camera quality and longer flight times, Potensic is your drone. But if you're on a budget and still want some cool features, TENSSENX has got your back. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Links to both products are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.